Otherwise, in this case, we are praying for the shelter again in the church.
When you think we won't be the investigation?
If we worship in the next 14 days, inquiry should be complete.
Worship we can take the 11th of April. Everybody worship before God and yeah. Worship we wish to address God on the accused person informs us
Just a
that
minute.
I worship the accused person says practice of his blood samples from prisons.
Just a minute. So the accused does not know.
The accused person informs us, Your Worship, that after he was sent on remand, he was taken to the prisons hospital, subjected to treatment which he did not understand.
Treatment?
Yes. And it also included extracting his blood. I worship who kindly pray that such actions are distributed before the community is cancelled.
Some say that it was his own check-up, but I wasn't feeling sick. I don't have anything.
As a friend like that, the promoter said the accused will start recovering. So it was a routine medical checkup by him. Customer service staff
Your Worship,
full investigations that you shall be kept on remand until that time.
Case number 1245 of 2023, that person not has